Kabasi mwanchomo warigereria mujumbe we bunge ya Bomachoge borabu Mheshimiwa Obadia Barongo niko tukuria rero aikira na skuru ya maegerio yo bwarimu ya Kenya na koigora bene chinyomba choboraro chia baiseke na boigo chie ensemeria yo kora skuru yo Mheshimiwa Barongo niko bono arireira yo gochia kubwatesia college yo na gukine birango bya chisemi asenseme yo boigo nigarure ogochika gochia kwane kya gusira college yo erinde henyara koba yekwane kya ebirango bigoro bya chisemi Mulikita Polinari Sakama namange
bunenchera ya muyo gusira chisemi ase bunge ya Bomachoge borabu nigo mujumbe bwe bunge yo Obadia Barongo lituko lya rero aigora bwane chinyomba choboraro chia baiseke ase kore chia maegeri yo bwarimu ya Kenya na boigo ya administration block
rero nigo twachaga Kenya Teachers Training College ase oko igora administration block yere magaito enyombe mosakoso aime na mogwanchanga omo principal yo Naftali Nyang'iti amo no mo board chairman yo Dr. Machuki bakorire gasi ere ya maana sana tugwente ko bakerambu yamono ase gasi bakorire ga erengia nande korumo ino maga yenyombe ntwa igora hostel ya renge abana abaiseke naso aime nerore hostel yo ere hostel engia mono ere very spacious
Barongo ninga atebire buna insi yo bugambi bwa enero mujumbo mutangani gusira chisemi chia college yo
korumagega obisi yo mujumbe tenyare tiko support college no obisi yo mujumbo Obadia Barongo nero ya nyarire kobeko koboko kuoko konya nande manya bantu ba minto to gukora igo asege pindi egetangani tima nyitinga abantu baminto museko tomenda chingaki mangana kitoranyare gukora ase skuru lakini igontagete ko bashwa igontagete ko bashwa ngatose ko gendera style yeye no nyene college in future amantu kabosio nabo togocha gosaba elinde ebe upgraded echeko bano nyene university
boigo niga bulira bananchi kwenekya buna ngusira barabara ibabo iliko basegeta gokora amagenderero
anda bantu baminto mumanyeterende buna abagambi baino egento baranyare kogani kurwase mole na masabo nako gendera gotusira elinde togenda gutwara moral no moyo bo koraki boko gendera nara yuna bwate ntegete gotebie body mbuya mone body to bwate ga Kenya TTC gere body ere very competent to bwate chi professor isatoma abakabaito kurwe kenyoro membarega no mongena osiemo no arega momo manyete body erega abantu baminto ngosaba mogendere konya amaguru mogende konye support
nero morokyo monene bwe college yo amono munyakirogoe baira chinga kicha soko mwakiro mujumbe Barongo mbuya mono asogo siroko.
I want to take this opportunity to thank God for giving us the opportunity today to be with our area member of parliament who has done commendably well to all commission our female hostel with a capacity of 500 students. It is a one-storied building, and we want to thank God for that opportunity that we've been given. Then he has also commissioned our administration block, a modern administration block.
That we have been struggling to bring up. We have done the best, and we want to thank Mheshimiwa. My special request, let us support Mheshimiwa and his team so that we can continue delivering.
Ko reporter geta Senigan Soko TV Nchere Tanapo Rinaris kama